this is Dumabag. Inasitan vlog. For today's video, we are going to entertain you. My husband and I will do kind of funny things. Okay? Just funny things. Just to make you laugh. Okay? Pa-pa-pa-pa-pam. This is Dumabag. Inisita. Start! Pop!
Why is everybody always picking on me?
Yeah?
Why is everybody always picking on me?
Oh, yeah?
Why is everybody always picking on me?
Yeah. What's that?
Why is everybody always picking on me?
What is next? What is your song?
He walks in the classroom, cool and slow. Who called the English teacher Daddy? Oh, it's Charlie Brown. He's a clown.
Clown?
A clown.
Clown? How do you do the clown?
He's gonna get caught. Just you wait and see. Why is everybody always picking on me?
Yeah?
Why is everybody always picking on me?
Oh, yeah. Now it's my turn to let you sing my Visayan song. You follow?
Yeah.
When I tell you to sing. Okay, alright?
Okay.
Say, usahay. Say it.
So hi.
Nagadamgo ako.
Nagadamgo ako.
Nga ikaw og ako.
Ikago ako.
Nagkahigugma ay.
Akinigugmahay.
Ngano.
Nano.
Ngano man kaha.
Nano
Nga
mankaha.
ikaw og ako.
Malinari kakako.
Nagkahigugma ay.
Agugmaay.
Nganong.
Nanang.
Giti-awti awan.
Iti awan.
Ang gugma ko kanimo.
Aginga po kaningo.
Kanimo da.
Animo da.
Okay, let me get faster. Usahay.
Sa hi.
Nagadamgo ako.
Ako.
Nga ikaw og ako.
Ikaw ako.
Nagkahigog maay.
Nakugaw maay.
Ngano.
Nano.
Ngano man kaha.
Nano man
Nga
ka.
ikaw og ako.
May kogako.
Nagkahigog maay.
May kogmahay.
Nanang giti awti awan.
Giti awan.
Ang gugma ko kanimo.
Ang nakakanimo.
Kanimo da.
Kanimo da.
Okay, dance. Dance, go dance, and then you may go. Dance, dance, everybody. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Thank you. That's an introduction of what I'm going to have. Pop. And then I'm going to continue my story. The story all about my mini autobiography. Let's continue. And then I was telling you about what happened to my friend and myself when we went dancing, and then her purse was stolen by a man. And so that's one highlight. I was telling you that I only have to tell you about the highlight. Say one. So from that time on, we always we did go to that place because we wanted to know if we could see that man, but never happened that we saw that man again because he went away with her purse and goodbye her purse and all the like her IDs, her credit cards were all gone, and she has to call everywhere for all her belongings or for all her cards. and also her IDs. And then we were scared during that time because the man was always calling at me because my phone number was uh, within her iPhone. So the man was always calling on me, but we reported it to the police station. So we continue on going there. We kept on going there, but then we didn't see that man anymore. And then, so the highlight is again, uh, I told my friend, never mind, just forget about it. Anyway, you are reported already to the cops, you are reported already to your bank, you reported to your telephone, your credit cards, you reported everything. And so we continue, we just forget about it, we forgot about it. And so what happened? So when one night, when the weekend, that was weekend, and she told me, let's go and see if to the other dancing place, if we could see that man. Excuse me. But then we didn't see that man anymore. And what happened? Um, she told me that there's a man. That man looks like him, but we'll try to see if that's really him. Can I have water, please? So he said, she said, we'll see if that's the real man that who danced with us last time, and then maybe he was the one who stole the her purse. May I have water, please? So the man was staring at her. I said, maybe that's the man who stole your purse. My friend, my lady friend was telling me that maybe he looks like the man who stole my purse, the man who was dancing with us all the time in that circle dance. So I said, oh, is he really that man? She said, we'll see. And then my friend made friends with that man and said, oh, were you? My friend asked that man, were you there in that place? You know that Sportsman's Lads during that time? And no, I was not there. And so my friend told me, my lady friend told me, he was not the man that who was dancing with us and stole my purse. Was not the man. But this man, my lady friend told me, this man is very nice to me. She said she's very nice to me, and this man is a little bit younger than myself, a little bit younger. No, but he's nice. He's very nice. And she said, and he is inviting us to eat. I said, oh my goodness, no, we don't do that. My friend, my lady friend, we don't do that because of what happened if another thief, another robber will just rob us, and then although we don't have money, but then all those paperwork's there inside our bag. But I told you, don't bring anything that's very important. I said, oh, this Nelly, this man is inviting us to eat. Oh, okay. Well, what time is it now? It's still something like 11:45. Okay, let's eat. Then there was a small restaurant there close to the Sportsman's Lads. So we went there, and then that guy was a little bit younger than my friend, and even a little bit younger than myself, because I was telling you that I was the oldest of the group. So when we went there, we were in the restaurant, only the three of us, my friend, my lady friend. I don't want to mention names. My lady friend, him, the man, the younger man who invited us for late dinner because it's 11 something, and so we eat there. And then that man, of course, he offered drinks to my friend, and my friend also gave me a drink, and then in that dancing place. So we were eating there in the restaurant, and then and my friend said, oh my goodness, this is too much, it's too much food. I said, we're hungry, my friend, we're hungry, we'll just eat. We ate, we ate, and we ate, and we ate, and then we were filled up, and then all of a sudden, uh, uh, I was at the front, and the two of them were seated each other, and I was also at their front. So we were eating, and there were lots of food. He ordered a lot of food, and then we ate and ate, and then all of a sudden, and we drink too. We drank like Merlot, yeah, Merlot, and then another one, Merlot, and then and then uh, and until my lady friend told me, oh my goodness, Dainelli, look at him. He keep on sitting closer and closer to me, and he keep on touching my watch. He pretended to touch my watch, but then he also touched my skin, and I said, oh my goodness, never mind. It's only the hands. He's only touching your hands. You just eat anyway. He let us eat. We just eat anyway. It's just let him touch your hand. That is the payment of what we are eating, because he offered his food. He treated us to eat here. So we were just laughing and giggling and laughing. Look, she said, my friend said, look, and then Lily, she kept on pushing himself to my side, and he keeps on touching my watch, but pretending to touch my watch, but then he also touched my skin, my hand. Ay, sa Bisaya pa, pasagdiran na oy, kay gipakaon na ta. Sagdi pahikapan na si imong kamot naman ka na. Kamot naman ka na. So, tawa kami ng tawa. Tawa kami, kamot naman ka na. May gidala na ka dito, gidala na ka asa ka dadon. Kamot naman ka na, gipakaon naman ta. Nya pabalunan pagutag pagkaon. The man said, can I drive you home? And then ingnang nga dili, no, kay na ako. You know what, my lady friends before, because I always watch them, my lady friends before, they told me some ladies who got jealous. There were some ladies who didn't like my friends, because my friends, they are like charming, and men were after them, because they love to dance and they're charming. And then some ladies, other friends said, oh, how come they are mabenta. So they called me bugaw. Itong si Lula, sabi nila sa akin, Lula daw ako. Si Lula ni Leon nagbubugaw na naman. Nagbubugaw na naman. Galit sila sa akin dahil bugaw daw. I don't care. So anyway, sabi ko, hayaan mo na sila. Sasabihin nila kaagad na, nandito naman si Lula bugaw. Hindi naman ako nagbubugaw. Inano ko lang, yung mga nakipagkaibigan sa akin, dimbawa mga bata pa sila, sasabihin ko sa kanila, no, bata ka pa sa akin, anak lang kita. Hindi nila alam na ano ako, na may diferensya akong dito, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo na ako dito, mayroon akong mastectomy. So sasabihin ko, bibigyan ko kayo ng mas bata pa sa akin. So pinaano ko sila. So yan ang mga istorya. So kaya marami talaga akong kasi I was having fun. Marami akong pinag-prepare. Tapos I was having fun. Tapos ako ang nagbe-breed sa kanila. Pero I never had ng lucky dahil natakot ako dahil insecure ako noon. Dahil sa yung sanabi ko sa iyo, very insecure ako. Takot ako na baka malaman nila na ako ay may diferensya. Kasi marami akong mga surgery, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, wala ako dito. So, yung damit ko palagi lang talagang Dito kung mayroon mang dito sa ano makikita ang leeg, kailangan niyang may takip dito. Kasi ano. So anyway, iyan ang istorya ko. May mga lalaking nagpupurma pero nauna sa akin, niisip ko na I will be hurt. Very insecure ako. Talaga insecure dahil dito. At napapasaya ang sarili ko kung makapag-pair ako ng kaibigan ko sa isang kaibigan kong lalaki. At mga puti yon, mga puti. Hindi mga Pilipino, mga puti. Kasi yung nag-ano pa ako sa kinder, nagturo pa ako sa kinder, may mga ano din ako mga kaibigan, sabihin nila, oh punta ka ba, punta ka, sabihin ko, oh mayroon ako mga kaibigan, at I even sometimes there was a time that my friend there told me that are you going with your friends Nelly to this dancing? I said that was in Days in Glendale. I still remember. Yeah, I'm going to that place on Saturday, but then I cannot dance. I'm not dancing. Can we just dance the circle? No, I can dance. But if you like, I will introduce you to my friend. My friends will be there. My friend will be there. Oh, okay, I'll see you there. But yeah, you can be there. But I cannot dance with you. So he was there. My American friend was there. And then I told another lady friend there, this man wanted a partner in dancing. And then my lady friend said, do you know her, Nelly? Yeah, I know her because in the school. And then and when my friend saw that American man, said, oh my goodness, I like him. Okay, then I told my American friend, you want to pair with my lady friend here? And then they paired until they paired the whole night. They paired dancing only. Okay, so that's what we did when we were little bit younger adult. Hindi pa talagang senior kasi hindi pa ako nag-retire noon eh. Work tapos lumalabas every weekend, nag-work pa rin ako. So I started loving life nang ako ay naging maraming surgery. After the surgery, I said, oh thank you Lord, you've given me second life chance. Binigyan mo ako ng chance na mabuhay muli. So I started to love life. And more nang naging senior na ako, ay talagang na-appreciate ko ang life na ito. Lalong-lalo na nang nakita ko na ang husband ko, tapos nang nagkaroon ako ng mga happenings, mga events with the seniors like me. Okay? So loving life as seniors is my motto in life. Okay? That's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching.